Hey guys, good morning. We are starting our new unit called Deep Study of Character. You will be working on this unit for the next couple of weeks. We are going to start with our Deep Study of Character 101 choice board today. This is something that you guys will be able to complete on your own for today and tomorrow. So today, what I need for you to do now is I need for you to read for 10 minutes. I'm going to post these slides in Schoology for you to use. So you are to read for 10 minutes, write for 2 minutes on your virtual bookmark. Fill it out and begin reading for 20 to 30 minutes a night or a day or however you do that. And again, you can break it up. And your virtual bookmarks will be turned in for a grade. Now, they were supposed to be turned in this Friday, but if you did not do that, I will, you can continue working on them. And guys, if you did do it, congratulations, you will get some extra credit for doing that. So today you will be able to complete the Orange Leaf Deep Study of Character 101 choice board. Your orange leaf is the collaboration leaf. You need to go into Schoology and click on that and begin to do that, and those instructions are on the sheet. So today I want to teach you how to preflect, not reflect, preflect on a unit before it begins. So we're going to go over the Deep Study of Character choice board. You'll have 2 days to complete this board and try to make it a goal to complete one today and the last two tomorrow, okay? So, let me go and change my listing here. So if you are looking at this, you see this is your copy. So you're going to click on this collaboration link and it will take you to slides 7 and 8. On slide 7, this is your work for today. You are going to choose a story that you are going to commit to for partnership work. I will pick your partners. Okay, so you're going to read a story you choose. All right, the stories are listed here. So you have The Follower, Raymond's Run, 11, which we've already read. Thank you, ma'am. 13 and a half, and My Brother's Finger. So you could choose one of those stories to read. And then you're going to discuss these in Schoology. There's a discussion board in your folders for you to discuss these questions. So I'm going to need you to tell me what story you're reading, what it's about, and what does the main character want. You will answer those questions in one paragraph. Okay, I'm not asking for, a whole essay. I just want a paragraph. Okay. Now, in those discussions, let's go back up here and we'll look at this. So this is what the discussion board looks like. You will be civil on these discussion boards. These are not for you to insult anyone or to put down anyone or make fun of anyone. This is for you to discuss those questions and read answers from other people. Okay, you are not to comment on anyone's discussion. All right, and be mean about it. I will consider it bullying and I will turn you in. Okay, this is for schoolwork, and you will not make fun of anyone on these discussion boards. Okay, I hope you understand that. If you do, because I will be reading all of these, if you do, I will copy all of everything that you've written, and you will be turned in for bullying. This is just not right for you to do that. Okay. So tomorrow you have a couple of other things. You have begin with the end in mind. You are to think about the summatives for this unit. I'm really excited about this, the character autopsy. You'll be breaking down the characters from the story that you have read. So the story you pick, you're going to break down the characters, and we're going to discuss how to do that probably next week. And you have a choice. You can work with a group, or you can do it by yourself. But everyone will contribute to the character autopsy, and it is a summative. So I will be doing that. It is a summative. All right. Tomorrow, you can do this one or the other, but we're going to talk about learning targets. So these are on the slide 3. So these are the learning targets that we'll be going over in this unit, in this part. We've already talked about the discussion board, and here is your virtual bookmark. So you'll need to go in and make a copy of that for yourself and then submit it, okay? You will need, again, to make your own copy of that. Here are some reading goals that we're going to talk about. I need you to look at these, fill these out on your own or in your notebooks. That is for you to do on your own. And then on Schoology, you'll discuss the answers to the following questions, okay? I'll make the change here that I want you to do your reading goal and write these down in your notebook, okay? Your composition book. Okay. If you have any questions about these, you could certainly email me or ask me. I want everyone to do your best. And like I said, I'm really excited about this character autopsy. Character autopsies will be about your character that you're reading about in those short stories. And so I'll explain how to do those, and we'll work on those during class. All right. So today, I want you to do this orange leaf, the collaboration. You just click on that link. You're going to choose a story. You're going to read the story you chose, and you're going to answer all of the questions on the discussion board. All right. Hope you guys have a great day.